friends, my name is Emily. Welcome to Junk Journal Inspirations. If this is your first time here, huge welcome to you and thank you for joining me today. So we are on week 16 of the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge, and I'm going to go ahead and pick our prompts for the week. So if you are new to the Simply Random Ephemera Challenge, don't worry, you can still participate. You can go back and start at the beginning if you want, or you can just start here, or you can pick and choose weeks that you like. Whatever you want to do, as long as you're having fun, that's the only rule. Just make sure you use the hashtag Simply Random Challenge when you are sharing on social media, and then tag me as well if you can, and that way I can see everything that everyone is making. And if you are on YouTube, I am adding all of the videos to my playlist on my channel so that everyone else can see all the wonderful creations that everyone has made during the challenge. And then at the end of the 20 weeks, I will be giving away all of the items that I have made during the challenge to one lucky winner. And you will need to be in the US this time. I do apologize for that, but the cost of shipping has just skyrocketed and I just cannot afford to ship to other countries. I apologize. If you would like to still enter and win and you are in another country, you are more than welcome to do that, but I would need to collect the shipping cost from you if you are outside of the US. So if you have any questions about that, just let me know. All right, so let's go ahead and choose this week 16 prompts. So we'll start with our theme. So let me make sure you can see that. And we have so few cards left, only 5 more weeks. All right, so nature, yay, my favorite theme, or one of my favorite themes. Okay, and then we have our techniques. Let's see what we get out of here. Oh my goodness, there are just, this is harder to pick when there's not as many. All right, we have something cut up. Well, that's easy. We can do that, no problem. And then our color. Color will be muted, so muted colors, so something not bright, however you want to interpret that. And then we'll draw 3 items out of this tin that we need to use in our project. So the first one is doilies, and I'll leave that up to you whether you want to use paper or fabric doilies, or a picture of a doily, or you could draw a doily. All right, something new. Okay. And finally, whoops, pick 2. Let's try again. Okay. Lace. Oh, okay, well that's not hard. That's pretty easy. We can do that. No problem. All right, so this is for week 16, and I will be back later in the week with my project using these prompts. I am having my first carpal tunnel surgery on June 9th. So I will be able to do 3 more weeks of process videos, and then my friend, or no, 2 more weeks. I'm gonna do 2 more weeks. And then my friend Jenny has graciously offered to take over and finish up with the last 3 projects. So I will put her videos up on my channel so you can watch her process. And then her is, unless I haven't talked to her about this yet, but if she wants to donate them for the giveaway, then her projects would be included as well. In order to enter the giveaway, you need to comment on all of the process videos in the playlist that I have done. So my process videos, because I will randomly choose one of the videos to then randomly choose the winner from. So make sure you've commented if you want to enter, so that you make sure that you've commented on the one that will be randomly chosen, because who knows which one it's gonna be. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you have a fabulous week, and I will see you soon. Take care. Bye.